Hello everyone, good day, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today, we will have a lecture about integers, just the basic one. Okay, integers. What are integers, Amber? So integers is a set of numbers containing whole numbers. So these whole numbers can be positive, negative, or even zero. But these numbers should not be in fractional part. And there should be no digits after the decimal point. So we have some rules in integers, like for the addition. So same sign. So what are we going to do with integers having the same sign? So we have here negative 5 plus negative 3. So this 2 has the same sign, negative 5 and negative 3. The operation that you're going to do is add the two in integers. That is why the answer is negative 8, and then copy the sign, which is the negative. Example number 2, 5 plus 3. So the two integers are both positive. This is why the outcome is also positive. 5 plus 3 is equal to positive 8. How about for the different signs? So for the different signs, we have here negative 5 plus 3 equals negative 2. Why negative 2? Even if the operation is addition, but since the two integers are they don't have the same sign, or in short they are different sign, the operation you need to use for this one is subtraction. So negative 5 plus 3 is 2. Carry the side of the bigger number. So the bigger number is 5 and the sign is negative. That is why the answer is negative 2. Second example, 5 plus negative 3. Still, these two integers have different sign. So the operation that we're going to use is addition. Since these two integers have different signs, the operation that we're going to use is subtraction. So 5 plus negative 3, we have here, diba, the laws for law of signs for multiplication. We have positive times negative. The answer is negative. So this will become 5 minus 3. This is why the answer is 2. Carry the sign of the bigger number, which is 5. Next, for the subtraction, we have here same sign, negative 5 minus negative 3. So negative 5 plus 3, which is negative 2. Recalling the law of signs of multiplication, we have negative times negative. This one, negative times negative is equal to positive. That is why the answer here is plus. Since negative times negative is positive. Positive times positive, we have positive. Negative times positive, we have negative. Positive times negative is negative. So negative 5 plus 3. Again, subtract these two. Subtract these two, so we have negative 2 as an answer. Carry the sign of the bigger number. Number 2, 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. How about for the different signs? The different signs. So we have here negative 5 minus positive 3. So we have here negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. Since negative times positive is negative, that is why we have negative 8. Next, 5 minus negative 3. Why 8? Again, negative times negative, that is positive. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. For multiplication, we have here sample number 1, negative 5 times negative 3. So we have 15. It says negative times negative is positive. That is why the answer is positive. Number 2, 5 times 3, that is also 15. How about for the different sign? So different sign, we have here negative 5 times 3 Negative times positive is negative. That is why the answer is negative. 5 times 3, 15. That is why the answer is negative 15. So, 5 times negative 3. So, positive times negative is negative. So, 5 times 3 is 15. So, 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. What for the law of division? So, we have the same sign. So, 15 divided by 3. We can write it this way for us to understood it fully. So, 15 divided by 3. Since 15 is divisible by 3, 3 is divisible by 3. So, we have 15 divided by 3, we have 5. 3 divided by 3, we have 1. Or this is equal to 5. So, therefore, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. But for the different sign, so we have negative 15 divided by 3. Again, we have a negative 15 divided by 3. Since 15 is divisible by 3, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So, negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. Since negative divided by positive is negative. Positive divided by positive is positive. The negative divided by negative, that is also positive. Same rules with the multiplication. So again, negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. Okay. For more videos, please don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you!